My name is Wally Fordyce. I'm the Southeast Regional Manager for HIPPO Multipower. HIPPO Multipower manufactures complete power solutions in a variety of verticals. State DOTs, municipalities, concrete cutting, and railroads. Several years ago, a Class 1 railroad came to us because they were not happy with their current HPU, hydraulic power unit. In conjunction with them, we worked to develop two different units, the THK, as you guys see here, and the power tread, a slightly bigger brother. The THK gives the user the ability to have, at 50 feet, measured here at the integral tool hose, at 50 feet away, have 10 gallons a minute at 2,000 PSI at the tool where it really matters, so the user can get their job done more efficiently and safer. I bet you guys didn't think I was going to say anything about the cool wheels either. Nobody else in the industry has these. These are non-pneumatic tires that'll go over anything, especially the rail. The unit's made to either straddle the rail, go between the rail, or porpoise the rail. At the end of the day, the HIPPO Multipower rail units, whether it's the THK or its bigger brother, the power tread, are industry-leading standards.